Hi everyone, with Target Structural we travel everywhere across the country seeing all kinds of interesting and beautiful places. Today we are at the beautiful setting of Ilfracombe in Devon. Today we will be working on a 3-storey house right by the seafront. After an inspection, the house has shown signs of cracking in the property caused by a lack of lateral restraint. This means that the external wall is not sufficiently connected to the fabric of the property, which if left untreated may lead to the collapse of the wall. Today we are going to focus on side grain lateral restraint. We need to drill through the outer wall. There is a window to contend with on the left over the staircase. We will need to measure the inside and up across, then match on the outside to drill into the joists. Then Bowflex will be installed into the wall and into the joists. Marcus and the team of Jack and Hugo of Target Structural Southwest arrive on site, but there is already an issue.
The issue with this one at the moment? One doorway's been locked by the estate agent, we can't get into. The room we can get into, it's got furniture there and boxes. Sort of extra bit of time to get it unsealed and work out a safe way up there, and then finding the bit that you've got to work on really.
After some furniture removal and the property agent arriving with a key, we started work. The team begin by carefully lifting the carpets and then the floorboards where the joists sit. Marcus carefully measures the distance on the inside of the building so the 12mm drill holes are perfect to where they need to be installed. This is a key part of the preparation. He then checks if the floor is straight. Is level floor rare then?
Yeah, because we're transferring the mark from here, all on the column outside.
Yeah.
If you're off level, when I say to him like move over X amount, if it's not level, he's got to counter for that outside. I'll show him hit the middle. So we've got 195mm joists. That's for that then. 195mm joist, level floor. He's got his first mark outside, so he's going to come in about here.
Jack then measures on the outside of the building to match the measurements made by markers on the inside. He then drills into the outer wall, guided on a walkie-talkie by markers, and then into the joist. This is then repeated approximately 600mm spaces apart on the joist. As they come to the fourth hole, they approach where the boiler is positioned. There are a lot of pipes and electrics, and they are dealing in millimetres between success and catastrophe.
Because there is a right old spaghetti junction of pipes. Yeah, but be careful popping through the stonework. When you get to where it goes through, go really slow, right?
Yeah, all good.
Otherwise you're going to take the boiler out.
Marcus knows that one wrong measurement could result in an extremely costly mistake, and Jack is drilling blind but to the exact precise measurements made in preparation.
Just got to try and avoid it when you're digging through the wall, obviously. So I have to make sure when we come in from the outside that we're not hitting any pipes or electrics. So we can dodge on that. That's fine. Your height's perfect, mate. You've been bang level pretty much most of the way through.
Got a bit out there, but obviously it's got to put down here and get a bit more now. That's cool.
Well, as long as you keep them in the joints, you know what you've got to do to counteract it, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. Come through now in the short bit.
Yeah, just go easy when you pop through.
Communication between the guys is key.
That's the short bit through all the way now, so that's the big bit through.
Put the big bit through, but don't start just yet.
That's good, I'll do it by hand. Just going to be drilling my way out, alright? So I'm not going forward with this, I'm just going to be going backwards if the drill's alright.
Push it in, I need to pull it away like that.
That one all good, is it? Get going through?
That looked really good.
Success! The measurements are precise and the guys finish drilling. The next stage is for Jack to install the Bowflex inside a power support tool, into the same holes, and Marcus will guide them into two joists across. As you can see from the footage, you never know what is sitting under your floorboards. Marcus and Jack install all the positions made to measure, working around water pipes and electric cables. All the restraints are installed and the customer can rest easy knowing there will be no movement from their walls on the property. The only thing left to do is to firmly reattach the lifted floorboards and lay the carpet as found. So in summary, there have been 6 positions drilled and installed with both legs. Thanks for joining us. We will see you next time.